By the conclusion of the second quarter of 2026, the volatile arms race of early artificial intelligence stabilized into converged enterprise infrastructure. Three core pillars anchor this baseline. First, the universal standardization of the 1 million token context window replaced the restrictive memory limits of early 2025. Second, native multimodal architectures began the active phase-out of text-only pipelines, optical character recognition, and isolated speech-to-text workflows. Third, the mass adoption of dynamic reasoning effort routing shifted API consumption away from hard-coded endpoints toward variable, autonomous compute allocation. Native integration of multi-turn tool calling and parallel sub-agent execution allows these models to operate as persistent, autonomous workflow engines. Enterprise architects who build on legacy frameworks in this converged landscape risk squandering both compute and capital. Large-scale workloads now utilize direct native context loading, moving the threshold for complex retrieval-augmented generation architectures significantly higher. A 1 million token capacity holds approximately 750,000 words. This allows an agent to ingest a complete software monorepo, its cascading dependencies, and historical documentation within a single prompt. Sustaining attention across these massive sequences using standard quadratic mechanisms results in computationally prohibitive exponential costs. This diagram illustrates dynamic context attention, balancing efficiency with long-range dependency. Local attention layers restrict focus strictly to nearby adjacent tokens, reducing initial processing complexity. Global layers then interleave, maintaining the full sequence to preserve distant relationships. Extended rotary position embeddings ensure that a specific data point at the start of a massive input string remains mathematically linked to a query posed at the end of the sequence. Point-wise recall performance still faces limits. Evaluations of Gemini 3.1 Pro show recall dropping to 26.3% when tested at the extreme 1 million token boundary. To mitigate this context rot, modern systems utilize smart context engineering, employing an initial retrieval pass to filter a 10 million token corpus down to a highly relevant 1 million token subset. These stable context windows allow models to determine relevance across entire corporate datasets simultaneously, functioning as holistic data reasoning engines. Organizations are currently phasing out fragmented optical character recognition and text-to-speech systems in favor of unified transformers. Fragmented pipelines destroy nonverbal context. Forcing audio files or complex imagery into flattened text strings removes acoustic hesitation and the spatial layout of documents. This diagram outlines the native multimodal framework. In Stage 1, modality-specific encoding, diverse inputs of text, audio, and high-resolution video are compressed into distinct sequential embeddings. In Stage 2, cross-modal alignment, these embeddings map into the exact same representational space. Stage 3 introduces joint reasoning, where tokens from different modalities attend to each other simultaneously inside a unified backbone. In the final generation stage, these models natively output text, audio, and structured data in a single autoregressive stream. In accounts receivable, vision language models read documents directly, understanding the spatial relationship of multi-column tables and visual hierarchy. These systems achieve 96.6% accuracy on complex, highly irregular tables without requiring the rigid configuration templates or manual exception queues used in the past decade. By integrating diverse inputs into a unified reasoning space, natively multimodal pipelines process corporate data without the brittle formatting rules of legacy software. The financial bottleneck of AI deployment has shifted from data ingestion costs to cognitive execution costs. This pricing matrix illustrates how prompt caching alters the cost-benefit analysis of large context workflows. Prompt caching drops the marginal cost of subsequent reads by up to 90%, making high-volume iterative queries economically viable. Processing 100 queries over an 80,000 token corporate document now costs under $14, transforming document-heavy agentic loops into a daily commodity. While input costs have collapsed, output costs are highly variable, driven by the premium rates associated with dynamic reasoning tokens. When models self-verify code or plan multi-step actions, they consume invisible reasoning tokens. These internal calculations are billed at the premium output rate. A prompt requires deep algorithmic thought will consume more budget than a simple summarization, even if the final text displayed to the user is the exact same length. To manage this volatility, engineering teams must dynamically scale effort levels at the application routing layer and enforce hard task budgets to prevent financial bleeding. The 2026 economic landscape requires architects to manage the mathematical boundary between cheap data memory and expensive cognitive thought. With core architectures converged, major laboratories differentiate strictly through specialized production optimizations and dedicated enterprise features. This radar chart maps the comparative performance of Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.7, OpenAI's GPT 5.5, and Google's Gemini 3.1 Pro. Anthropic optimized Opus 4.7 for rigorous consistency and deterministic self-verification, maintaining a distinct performance lead in agentic software engineering. By supporting massive 2576 pixel resolutions with one-to-one coordinate mapping, Opus 4.7 achieves pixel-perfect UI verification, allowing it to drive computer use agents without complex scaling. OpenAI utilized a proprietary mixture of experts network for GPT 5.5, enabling a substantial lead in terminal navigation. An advanced router sends tokens to up to 256 specialized subnetworks. This sparse activation design allows GPT 5.5 to run up to 20 parallel subagents. Google emphasizes ecosystem federation, unifying Gemini 3.1 Pro with secure data connectors and central governance tools inside Vertex AI. The model utilizes a parameter-controlled deep think mode to achieve high scores in complex abstract and scientific reasoning benchmarks. Successful enterprise procurement now depends on matching these specific cognitive optimizations to exact corporate workloads. Immense competitive pressure comes from open-weight models like DeepSeek v4 and Alibaba Qwen 3.6, which introduced million-token context windows to the open-source community. Provider-agnostic terminal tools and AI-native IDEs have successfully commoditized access to multi-agent workflows, frequently operating in completely sandboxed environments. This rapid advancement is powered by a shift in training methodologies, prioritizing hyper-detailed, synthetically generated reasoning solutions over raw web scraping. Because massive context and multimodal perception are now standard API primitives, applications functioning as thin wrappers for basic language queries are effectively obsolete. Future enterprise value is derived from orchestrating asynchronous workflows that run for days without human intervention to solve long-horizon problems. They have transcended being external tools. They have become the native, invisible intelligence layer powering the fundamental infrastructure of modern global enterprise.